Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop your browser tabs from auto-refreshing. First, check your browser's internal settings. For example, in Chrome, you can type Chrome / flags into your address bar and search for automatic tab discarding. Disable this feature to keep your tabs active for longer periods. This prevents the browser from unloading tabs to save memory, which can cause them to refresh when you return to them. Another powerful method is using a dedicated browser extension. Search your browser's web store for terms like Disable Tab Auto Refresh or Tab Reloader. Many free and paid options provide advanced controls, letting you whitelist specific sites to always stay active or set custom refresh intervals. These extensions often sit in your browser's toolbar, giving you one-click access to manage tab behavior, offering a convenient and effective solution for persistent issues. Sometimes, the issue stems from your computer's operating system or the specific application itself. For example, check your operating system's power management settings. Aggressive power saving can suspend background processes, leading to refreshes when they reactivate. Also, within certain applications, look for options related to background app refresh or automatic updates, and disable them if they are causing unwanted interruptions. Understanding these system-wide influences can solve problems beyond just your web browser. To maintain a smooth experience, regularly clear your browser's cache and cookies. This prevents outdated data from causing unexpected refreshes. Also, keep your browser and operating system updated to their latest versions, as developers often release fixes for such issues. Finally, try to close unnecessary tabs when not in use, reducing the overall system load and minimizing the chances of any tab being forcibly refreshed to free up resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.